All right, we got this. Great. 300, I mean, almost $400 right there. Above the moving average. So why wouldn't we go long for, I mean, all our balance? I'm using all my balance and go 100%. All right, we got this. There was a strong pullback. There is no doubt about it. So I'm gonna go for short, as well as, I mean, RSI and moving averages are for that, and the price is below the parabolic SAR and the moving averages. So as I told you, RSI is allowing the price to go even shorter. Great. All right. I mean, the payout right here is 92%, which is much more better than the previous bet. I don't know. I just didn't see that coming, you know. There's room according to the RSI. Everything is above the indicators, and everything is kind of fine. Betting 150 for long. Yeah. There's a strong buying momentum for Australian dollars right now, and that's why it just, you know, breaking through the moving averages and just goes up. Wow, just freaking wow! What the hell is going on? I mean, I'm totally alright with that situation in the market. 300, I mean, almost $400 right there. No, I didn't. I did change it, 250. I don't know, he's just lagged. Okay, now we're going short. First of all, the Bollinger Bands, parabolic SAR, I mean, moving averages, and RSI, all of them. Besides the RSI, all of them are showing indicating the short position. But if you take a look at the RSI, we are really close to the oversold zone. However, we still have some room to go down there. And you know, after peaking 183.108, the market just started pulling back, and it still just declines. So yeah. Kinda must be obvious, innit? Yeah, nice. Great job. $480 right there. And 350, just let's go. I mean, we are right now just above moving averages. Please. Okay. 672 right there. Great, by the way. In the beginning, I guess we had only $100 in the beginning, and right now I'm having almost 1,000. $400 are going to be played on the long right now, because look at the graph itself. You know, everything is obvious, it's straightforward. The most straightforward bet or just trade that can ever be. And guys, just for your information, I mean, all these tiny details that I'm talking about, and sometimes you may even miss them because you're not aware of those things and you might not be listening very carefully. But all the things are very much important, and I'm giving you hints in my Telegram private group. I'm giving you everything that you need as a beginner, as a, I don't know, as a professional trader. Just a second. I mean, not just a second. 3 seconds right there. 2, 1, and $1,316. Yeah. So I'm providing you with everything necessary, everything needed for the trader in my Telegram private group, and it's absolutely for free. Just no one is gonna ask you for money. You're just entering and checking it out. If you don't like it, then all right. If you like it, so you're gonna be staying. But I bet you're gonna be liking that. You're gonna be just enjoying and making money. So thank you for watching. Stay with me. Stay with Alex. Leave a like, and of course subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. So ciao, amigos.